Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to post full reels on Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, launch your Instagram app and open reels, and all you have to need, open the reel that you want to share to your story and tap on save. So save the reel and now tap on your profile icon to the bottom right corner and tap on this three line icon to the top right corner. Tap on saved, tap on all post, select reel tab, and now open the reel which you want to share to your story. And now tap on this paper plane icon, tap on add reel to your story, and you can resize the reel. Tap on next, tap on share, tap on done. Now I'm gonna opening my story. So as you can see, I've successfully added full reels on my Instagram story. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.